Oh hey, how's your day?
Oh, kumusta ka na? Malungkot ka ba? O masaya? O baka naman stressed ka na?
Here, you can express yourself.
So come and sit down with us for meaningful conversations. Only here on INC Radio Cafe, Christian Attitude, Faith Enhanced, tuwing Sabado, alas 6 hanggang alas 7 ng gabi, Philippine Standard Time. At kasama kayo doon. Kasama natin sila doon, yes. So, ano kumusta na yung siya mo?
So, have you guys ever seen a post on social media or encountered anything IRL that made you stop and say, wait a second, I have thoughts about this, but how should I be seeing this, or what should my perspective be about this as a true Christian? Ganyan ang mga tanong na sasagutin natin dito sa episode at sa bagong season na ito ng INC Radio Cafe Christian Attitude Faith Enhanced with a wonderful set of hosts na excited na ako ipakilala sa inyo.
Yay!
Let me start the round of introductions as we introduce you into our little cafe table. Come closer, you guys. Okay, so ito na. So ang mga makakasama nyo for this new season ay, first up, yours truly, ako po ang kapatid na Harmony Adiao Carillo, and I am so happy to be here, sharing this table with you guys, sharing the tea with you guys as it happens.
Masarap siya.
Yes, at sino naman ang mga kasama natin? New and old? New and returning na lang.
Returning.
New and
Returning.
returning faces.
Who stayed?
Yes. So,
Someone who said, yes, hello to everyone. Hello sa mga nakakakapi natin, from our previous season. And now, nandito pa rin sila. This is Kuya Jacob Estrella. And I'm very excited na may mga bago na naman tayo makakasama.
yes.
Starting with Ate Harm. That was a very, very good start for our episode, di ba?
ako lang to.
And I'm excited to know yung iba natin kasama. Ate
Oh,
Harm.
yes. So, who else do we have in our little roster over here?
Ate Ina.
Hello. It's Ate Ina here, returning. Hindi
Yun.
old.
Tama na po.
Returning.
Yeah, returning po dito sa INC Radio Cafe and excited to have more meaningful conversations
Yun.
with Ate Harm, Jacon, and of course,
Just Tim.
Just
Yes,
Tim.
it's just Tim here. Hello po sa inyong lahat. I'm very excited to be with everyone and of course with all of you to share, of course, the values that we should have as Christians.
Oh, I like that question ni Ate Harmano. Yun yung goal natin in our every conversation.
Exactly.
Na whenever we see something, post it online, or yung naiisip ng tao sa kasalukuyan, we want to unpack it. Tas, ano ba dapat yung isipin natin? Sasabayan ba natin yon?
Yeah.
Parang tatawanan lang ba natin siya? Or scroll, ignore?
Should there be a perspective that we need to have or we need to cultivate or we need to practice as true Christians?
I love that.
Kasi harapin natin ang totoo. These are the values that we need to be making sure that we're living out in our everyday life. Hindi ito incidental lang na,
Yeah.
tinuro so ganun-ganun na lang. Hindi. That's really something that we have to bring into our lives. Kailangan nating isabuhay ito. And what better way to do it than around the coffee table with coffee, tea, and good company?
yeah.
Yes.
So, speaking of social media, how are your guys' social media feeds these days? Bakit parang ganun yung
mga reaction, no?
niyo?
Yung reaction is as simple as,
Parang nervous
Kaya
laughter
nga,
na lang.
nervous
No?
yeah.
Kumusta ba? Ate Ina, kasi you're working, tapos parang required ka rin magka-social media with your line of work because of your line of work.
Yeah. Actually, personally, I don't use social media that much. I mean, hindi ako masyadong pala-post.
Kaya. Okay. Hindi ko
Oo.
siya pala post.
Pero yun, mostly nagsuscroll lang every
Yeah.
day. Ayun, that's the purpose of social media for me. More on like observing things. ganun.
Oh.
And what is it that you're observing now, like in general?
Yeah, current events and things na ka-align sa interest ko. It's a thing talaga, no, yung algorithm
Oo.
na whatever you're behavior is online, dun na pinapattern ng technology yung ipapakita niya sa'yo.
Kaya nga sabi natin, may naririnig ba ako ng cellphone ko?
Di ba nga?
Lahat na lang nang naiisip ko, parang lalabas na siya bigla.
Exactly.
Technically
Honestly,
speaking,
yeah.
it does.
Let's not get into the technicalities. Parang ano yan, another episode for
Another
another day.
episode, yeah.
Diba? Yung mga
For
ano
another
natin,
day, for another
behaviors
day.
natin
Yeah,
online.
right.
exactly.
But yeah, speaking of behaviors online, sobrang common na kasi na lahat ng pwede mong i-share online, sinishare na online, like kahit ano pa yan. So, sometimes I'm also, like Ate Ina, I'm really careful about the things that the content that I interact with. And thankfully, yung mga friends ko naman online, no, yung mga pinopost naman nila meaningful, value-adding, and sometimes even heartwarming.
Oh.
Kaya ako nabanggit yon kasi I actually was scrolling through social media also, and we happened upon this post na nung nakita ko, talagang naging palaisipan siya sa akin na parang, okay, meron pa palang taong nagpo-post ng ganito because it actually makes you feel good instead of all the ayoko namang sabihin majorly negative na yung nasa content online, di ba? But
Yeah.
that does seem to be the trend. So when I saw this positive post, sobrang natuwa ako and I was like, we should share this. We should share more of these.
Shareable siya.
Yeah, we should share more of these positive content.
Yeah, right.
So, dahil dyan, for our espresso self, usually it's a letter, usually it's sentiments.
Aha.
This time, it's gonna be a video. Kaya
Okay.
panoorin po natin to.
Espresso Self.
They spent their youth building our dreams, and now we get to build theirs. From prayers to plane tickets, I'm so lucky I get to experience traveling in Japan with my parents. My ultimate goal in life, finally happening. And I'm also a proud daughter here for having parents na hindi nagpapatalo sa lakaran. Kahit mali-mali ang navigation, kahit araw-araw ang gala, never silang nagpahuli at nagpaiwan. From habulan sa bus stops to akyat panaog sa subways. And now, watching them here, walking, laughing, taking photos of each other like it's their own little love story.
Yeah, so that was our
sweet.
post from Sister Casey Herrera. Galing po siya sa lokal ng Pugad, Lawin, Distrito ng Central. And that was yung naka-feature sa post niya, yung parents niya, si Ka Mandy and Merly Herrera. So thank you so much for allowing us to share that post, not just here in our little circle, but also sa lahat ng manonood natin for
Right.
INC Cafe
Yes.
today. So ang ganda, no? So akala nyo simple lang siya. Parang in the grand scheme of things, it seems so simple na, okay, pumunta kayo ng Japan.
Yeah,
Everyone
like
can go to Japan. Di ba?
May kilala tayo pupunta dyan ng Japan
Kaya nga
the
Hello,
next
shout out
days.
sa kanya.
Oo.
Diba? So, ang gandang sentiment na kahit simple, alam niyong heartfelt. Kasi talagang in-infuse niya yung experience niya mula nung pagkabata pa siya hanggang sa paglaki niya na everything sort of boiled down to that one moment na she was able to give back to her parents.
Giving back.
Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. And how do you guys feel about, personally, like how do you guys feel about that kind of sentiment na we're giving back to our parents at this phase or at this point in our lives? If you are, like let us know if you are at that point that you're giving back to your parents already. Kasi ako personally, the way I show my parents how grateful I am, kahit nakabukod na ako sa kanila.
As a married
As a married
person.
girl, you know, ganun talaga eh. Honestly, when I got married, the first few days, sabi ko, ang weird pala na malayo ka sa parents mo. There was even this one time na my husband and I went out to dinner and we had gotten home very, very late. I had this urge na i-message yung parents ko. Gusto ko silang i-message. Sabi ko, Mommy, Daddy, kasama ko lang si
Oo.
Z. I'll be home soon. Tapos isip ko,
Hindi mo na kailangan.
hindi ko na kailangan magpaalam. I don't need to update them anymore. Kasi technically, di ba, I am in the care of
You're
my
on your
husband
own.
Yeah,
already.
of course.
Kasi first time mo bang bumukod?
Yes.
Wala kang parang
Yes.
nung college na
No.
tira sa
Dorm life,
ibang lugar.
ganun.
Oo. That's a good
Okay.
perspective actually. I never had that experience. I never had the experience of having to stay in a dorm.
Yeah.
My sister did. Jacon, you did,
Ako.
di ba?
Yeah.
You are.
I am.
You are
Currently.
currently living in a dorm. So we'll get to you. in
Yeah,
a bit.
later.
Pero yun na nga, I had never had that experience until bumukod ako. So nung na-experience ko yun for the first time, medyo na-shock ako sa sarili ko, na culture shock ako with myself. Parang, why did I feel the need to do that? But anyway, I guess yun yung isa sa mga ways that I show gratitude to my parents. I always tell them
Everything.
outright. Oh, I tell them everything. I tell them outright na, I love you, I'm here, I got here safe, papunta na ako sa ganito, papunta na ako sa ganyan. Because that's also the love that they showed me growing up. Alam ko hanggang ngayon. Even, kunwari, hatid namin sila sa bahay. And then, so they live in one place and we live maybe an hour away from them. So my mom always, without fail, lagi niya sasabihin, ingat kayo ha, malayo pa naman yung biyahe nyo. Every single time. Even though alam niya kung gaano kalayo yung biyahe namin.
Malayo
Yun din,
kayo.
di ba? Malayo pa kayo, mag-ingat kayo. So, I showed them the same gratitude and love that they showed me growing up. I think yun yung best, for me, yun yung best way that I can show my gratitude to them is to communicate and to respect that they want to know how I am and where I am. Kaya yun yung ano ko. gratefulness.
Nabawasan siguro yung consistency or nabawasan yung frequency pala rather or lagi pa rin?
Alam mo, feeling ko nga more of me trying to ask updates from them. Kasi parang minsan nga sabi ko, bahagi pa ba ako ng pamilya niyo? Ayaw niyo na ba ako i-update sa family group chat? Diba? Kayo ba may mga family group chats ba kayo?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course we do.
How do the conversations go in those
Sa group chats?
Curious
Actually,
ako.
di ba, sa inyo, Ate Harm, ever since you've mentioned talaga na ganun sila sa inyo growing up, sa amin, total parang opposite. So that's why it's kind of parang new sa akin. Kasi sa amin, hindi kami very vocal.
Okay.
Hindi kami yung nagsasabihan lagi ng I love you, ganyan. Hindi, yung kapag ka biglang may sweet, parang kakabahan ka.
Parang bakit siya ganito?
Anong meron?
Oo, parang gano'n. Parang may kasalanan ba to? Ganon sa amin. Kaya parang I lived with a household talaga na very conventional in. Sabihin na natin medyo strict.
Okay.
Kasi my father used to train as a part of the military.
Oh.
Yun. Actually, growing up,
Upbringing, okay.
medyo parang sa Tagalog ata ay parang denumero. Eh parang paggising mo, ganito gagawin mo.
700 hours.
Yeah, mga ganun. And then, by 900, kailangan nakaligo ka na. Tapos, pagkatapos ko maligo, lagi yung merong isang baso ng mainit na gatas and cookies or parang yung
Ganon?
biscuits.
Para kanino? Para sa'yo?
Yes, for
Okay,
me.
pare.
I remember clearly pa. Na, kasi that time, yung father ko is, wala siyang work during that time. So, siya talaga yung nag-aalaga sa akin. Siguro mga around 4 or 5 years old ako noon.
So cute.
Tapos, tanda ko, siya yung nagsusuklay ng buhok ko after maligo na talagang pag ano.
Hatak talaga.
Oo, hatak talaga. So, yun. Although, hindi kami very vocal, hindi kami yung parang I love you, ganyan-ganyan. Actually, kasi pag bata ka, parang minsan hinahanap mo eh.
Of course.
Yeah.
Nung bata, lalo, pag teenager, ganyan.
Tapos nakikita ang napapanood mo.
Oo, sa ibang bahay, sa ibang tao, ganun. Parang hahanapin mo eh. Pero as you grow older, parang marirealize mo na there are little things showing love even without you saying it.
The cookies and milk.
Yeah.
That's so
Actually,
sweet, no?
I used to hate it. I used to hate it na
Totoo
parang
ba?
everyday ganito. Pero parang looking back, parang it's something unique na ako lang yung meron.
Oh, not even your sisters had that.
Baka. Kasi alam ko, during that time, he's working. Kaya most of the time, he's not home. Kaya hindi masyado sila ate. Lumaki kasama siya.
Okay.
Kasi
bunsong-bunso.
Oo, bunso kasi ako. So yun, yun parang unique experience ko with him.
At naramdaman mo naman yung pagmamahal ng father mo through those acts.
Yeah, I felt it.
Kasi nabanggit mo, you used to hate it. But now, like, what changed?
As I grow older, parang mas nare-realize mo na your parents are human beings themselves. Individual persons na aside from being your parent, tao din sila na may sarili silang mga activities, may
Yeah.
sarili silang life path, 'di ba? Parang ganun.
And they're also learning along the way.
Yes. Kaya parang ma-appreciate mo na they've been doing this for you. Yun yung realizations ko lately. Although yun nga, lahat naman tayo siguro or most of the teenagers or mga
Yeah.
young adults na dumadaan sa phase na parang hindi nila na-appreciate or hindi nila masyadong naisip yun. Kasi nga strict yung parents or ano. Pero as you grow older talaga, mas ma-figure out mo na there's love even though strict yung parents.
That's so true. Like, there are definitely moments in my life where I remember growing up na parang bakit ganito yung discipline that my parents have with me. And then, now that I'm older, mas na-appreciate ko siya na parang buti na lang, diniscipline nila ako ng ganun. Buti na lang, they taught me those lessons growing up. Kasi, it made me into the person that I am now. And I like who I am.
Actually.
I like who I am thanks to the way my parents raised me.
Are they hands-on with you or do they let you like experience
Kasi
failure?
panganay
or
din
kaya
sila.
kapag
As a panganay, alam mo to.
Yeah.
As a panganay, I felt like my parents were very experimental with the way they were raising their kid actually. Pero alam mo yun, parang hindi ko na rin naman minasama yun, I guess, that they were being experimental about it because, again, as you mentioned, it's their first time being parents, diba? They are also people with their own paths. And
Experiencing things first
natututo din
time.
sila,
Yeah.
They're learning along the way. So, I remember growing up na it was really just enjoyable. So, I'd like to think na while my parents were raising me, they were just enjoying the process as well. Diba? Masaya lang.
And that was funny kasi yung sinabi niya na medyo experimental, nasubukan ko yung ginupitan yung ano ko.
yung bilik mo.
Yung pilik mo kasi mahaba daw.
Nail cutter naman sa amin. Pero dahan-dahan. Di para mabawasan lang.
Tapos yung ginugupitan ako, tapos nasugatan ako dito sa likod. Those things are, yung sinasabi natin na experimental talaga.
Yes,
And it happens. And I think it is a very fun way to grow. And the more that you grow older, you realize that you grow older with them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Diba?
That's true. Grow older in age, but also in experience. Ang dami nating, I'm sure na marami tayong core memories, yung parents din natin maraming core memories.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Saksi sila sa lahat. Diba?
And talking about
nila.
growing older,
Yeah.
I remember this moment when I had with my father. Kasi yung family namin is the same with Ate's family na very open and vocal about everything and anything. So if there is a problem, we talk about it and we discuss. And the best part is we share our opinions then.
Sa bahay.
So kami din mismo, we give out what we think and then they talk to us what they think and then we discuss about it hanggang sa mahanap namin yung tama talaga. And the best part is meron akong tiwala na yung mga magulang ko will be giving me advice according to what the teachings are.
Exactly.
Kaya
That's
laging
nice.
guided. Laging guided na maayos. And there was a moment when I was in high school, nasa labas ako nun, binaba niya ako sa
Ang tatay mo?
sa kasada, yes.
Okay.
Hinatid niya ako,
Bakit kanya
binaba
binaba
niya
out
ako
of nowhere?
sa...
Ginawa mo.
Hindi. Ayun kasi papunta ng school.
Ay, sorry.
Grabe naman kasi. I have to cross the street lang kasi para sa school. Grabe naman kayo.
Binaba.
Oo. Tagalog kasi.
Kasi.
Okay, ganito yan. Binaba niya ako, tapos nag-kiss ako. Love you, Dad, bye-bye. And then he was like, pag sakay ko ulit, lagi niya kasi nakikita na nagkikiss ako kahit nandun kami sa labas. And then I was in high school, I was like large and huge. I was taller than him. And then he's like, Nak, di ka ba,
Awkward.
Hindi ka ba na awkward na nahihiya? Kasi laki-laki mo na, umahalik ka pa sa tatay mo. My answer to him was this. Very simple. I do remember that kasi yun ang prinsipyo ko all the way. Sabi ko, if I cannot show love to you outside, show my love to you outside, o kaya hindi kita mahalikan, anong karapatan ko na gawin yun sa magiging partner ko? Kasi sila yung tumulong sa akin. They reared me from young. And if I cannot show them that much love, or
Para sa
hindi ko
ibang
kaya
tao.
maging prideful
Exactly.
o proud about it, wala akong karapatan na
Yes.
sa partner ko maging ganun din.
In the
Parang,
future.
Yeah, that's who he is talaga kasi as a
Yes.
person. And it's not just parang saved for one person. That's
Exactly.
just who you are.
Exactly.
So,
And it
showing your
shows even with friendships.
Makes
I
sense.
openly tell them na, namimiss na kita.
Oo,
ganun,
why
diba?
not, di ba?
Yes.
Ngayon kasi parang masyado tayo na nababakuran ng
Nako-confined
standards
with
na,
that,
you're
yes.
not allowed to show affection to other people unless they're...
Yeah.
That's actually interesting that you mentioned that, Tim, kasi it must mean na your dad was raised differently.
Exactly.
Diba?
Kasi ito yan.
You were raised differently from your dad.
Exactly.
Wait,
kasi,
the question is, saan mo nakuha yung ganong trait? Sa mother mo ba? Ba
Oo.
showy
Like,
ba
who
siya?
taught you to be
No,
expressive?
the
Okay.
thing is, the both of them have a very good partnership.
Okay,
Wow.
bilang
I love that. That's
silang,
foundation,
yes.
though.
So silang dalawa is giving us all of the love and showing us how to love. And yung pananaw na yun kasi kapag kami magkakasama-sama sa bahay, ganun talaga eh. Hanggang sa mga kapatid ko, ganun.
Yes.
My brother is already 18 years old, sasabihin ko, kiss kuya. Ganun.
That's so...
Modeling through their actions.
Exactly.
But
Kaya,
again, they decided to raise you that way. Pero the fact that your dad asked, di ka ba nahihiya? Parang does that not...
it's just like, it was just
Yeah, that
it was just a curious
You're a big
question
man
for
now.
him.
Or
He
is
was like-
he feeling it
No,
himself?
yung tanong niya na ganon, it wasn't that nahihiya siya.
Okay.
He was curious with a smile kasi
Okay.
tinatanong niya sa akin. Like, para bang proud siya.
No.
And at the same time, he was like, hindi ka ba anak nahihiya na ginagawa mo yan? Ganon,
I
natatawa
guess
siya.
kasi common kasi common yung
Exactly.
mindset na mahiya ka kapag
Pag may ibang tao na.
Yes.
Lalo pagka
For big
yung
boys.
age
Yung
na
mga
eh.
ganun,
parang
mga teenagers.
especially
conscious
for men.
For men.
Exactly.
But having a father figure like that is very important for your
Yes.
development as a man
exactly.
na will lead a household in the future.
I agree. And for me,
good.
personally,
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna be any less of a man if you can love your father like that.
Oh, no.
Period.
And honestly, you will be more of it. Kasi you're proud eh. Proud ka for your family.
So
With
your dad grew up the same way naman. He wasn't parang a conventional family.
Yeah.
Like he didn't grow up in a conventional
Yeah.
family.
Like
he
he's
did.
not making up for...
He did.
Okay.
But
Eh,
the
yung feeling ko
thing
yung
is-
generational Gen X na
Yes,
sila, di ba?
he did. But the thing is, my parents were able to learn what they wanted to become based on the parenting
I
that
love
they
that.
received.
I love
That's
that.
nice.
Ang sarap na no, yung parang they had the liberty to learn tapos ituturo nila sa mga
Oo.
anak nila.
Like they did not
Exactly.
just pass on whatever they experienced.
Exactly. So, ang ginawa nila is, ang ibinigay nila sa amin is yung mga bagay na they wished was given to them.
Oh.
And it was the best of everything. And that's what I'm confident in. Kasi hanggang ngayon, nagko-call kami, nag-update kami.
Update.
Di ba? Minsan nangungulit pa.
Oo nga, parang ba't di ka na tumatawag? And nobody's at fault at that kung ano yung hindi nila nakuha or nakuha. Kasi times run differently talaga. Iba yung generation nila, iba yung
Exactly, I
generation.
agree.
It really was a whole learning and unlearning journey for our parents. No, I'm sure not just your parents, but as you mentioned,
yes,
Jacob,
For all of us.
yeah, for their generation specifically, na they must have grown up so differently in a different world na walang internet,
Yeah,
di
may
ba?
digmaan.
Wala nang research about.
Digmaan.
I like
It's a
what Sister
different
Casey
thing.
said then,
Oo.
di ba? That they spent their youth making sure that our childhood was good. So ngayon, na matanda na
That hit me
sila.
so hard, yeah.
That did hit hard na ngayon na matanda na sila, we're able to give back to
Yeah.
them in ways that they wish they were able to live their life.
Yeah. Oo.
Actually, that's a personal fear of mine. Na,
In what way?
Na dumating yung punto na matatanda na yung mga magulang ko na I won't give them that experience. Yung mga traveling, or kaya naman yung maka-experience na makakain ng mga talagang masasabi nating objectively masarap, di ba? Parang kailan ba nila pa mai-experience yun? I mean, we cannot blame anyone kasi oras nga ang kalaban natin. Hindi mo pwedeng mag-fast forward ako tapos magsistay lang sila sa youthful age nila ngayon. Wow.
Of course.
Kaya diba? Youthful age. So,
Yes.
there's a personal fear
I
of
mean,
mine.
why are you putting that burden on yourself though? Di ba middle
Sabagay.
child ka?
As a middle child.
Panganay, hello ate.
Pero you can do
Or
it on
kuya.
your little things na lang.
Oo.
Exactly.
Doon na lang. Yun din yung naging mindset ko po. Hindi
So ano
naman,
yung mga pambawi mo in that sense?
I make them proud from what I do now. I make sure na lahat ng gagawin ko ngayon makikita nila and sana maging masaya sila.
Alam mo,
I'm
gusto
sure
kong
masaya
tanungin yan. What definition of proud,
Proud.
What
ba
do
ang
you- what of?
parents mo tinitingnan?
Yes.
Kasi, naisip ako bigla, oo nga, no? Kasi,
Tito, tita, please comment.
Hello.
What are your
Kasi
expectations?
alam niyo yung mga magulang. Alam niyo naman yung mga expectations.
Basically, of this point.
May na-expect ba sa'yo?
What are your expectations? Di, pero alam niyo naman yung mga parents. Siguro sa family kasi namin, dahil malaki silang family. From both, especially
Both
on my
sides,
mother's
okay.
side. Tapos parang, dahil malaki silang family, alam niyo yung mga silang magkakapatid, yung anak ko ganito. Ganyan.
Typical
Ayan,
Filipino
alam mo natin yung
family.
typical family. So ako din, gusto ko din maging someone na maipagmamalaki nila with their pinsan, with their siblings, in my own little way.
Jaycon being the standard.
Hindi naman syempre hindi yung mayaman kasi wala pa naman tayo sa ganun, pero kahit sa ugali man lang, may pagmalaki nila, yung anak namin si Jaycon or kaya yung kuya ko, ganito sila, ganito namin sila pinalaki, ganito nila kami mahalin. So kahit ganung way lang na makaramdam sila ng proud sa ganung bahagi, I'd be so happy na.
Now I'm curious, Ate Ina, ikaw, paano? Sa'yo, sa parents mo?
Ayun, oo nga. Kaya nung nagkukwento ka nga, Tim, parang, hala, paano yun? Kasi we're really not.
Hindi siya makarelate.
Hindi siya
Oo,
same.
Hindi ako
They're
makarelate,
same.
promise.
So how do they find pride in you?
Actually kasi, since young naman, kaming magkakapatid, talagang very focused sa studies, ganyan. So, wala silang naging problema sa amin when it comes to those kinds of things. So, yun, na maipagmamalaki nila kami in terms of our studies. Marami kaming mga hinahawakang tungkulin din. And, ayun, actually, very proud sa akin si tatay na nasa programs din ako ng INC. Yun, very proud naman siya sa akin about doon. Si nanay naman, ang, namin, tawag dito, di ba hindi nga kami very vocal, hindi kami kiss, I love you, hug, ganyan. Ang mga,
Cookies and milk kayo eh.
kay tatay, cookies and milk.
Cookies
Kay nanay, acts of service, tsaka food.
Oh, cute.
Actually, this is something na hindi
Very
ko napansin. Oo, hindi ko napansin on my own self. Na parang, pagka pupunta ako ng work, isa lagi sa tanong ko sa nanay ko, Nay, anong gusto mong pagkain? Or parang, or parang maghahanap ako ng ipapasulubong ko sa kanyang masarap na food. Parang sa akin, parang automatic na siya na parang, para may ko kay nanay kasi maghapon akong wala sa bahay, ganyan. Parang it's not something na I really thought that much deeply. Pero nung may friend akong kasama na bumiyahe pa uwi na parang sabi, ay talaga, parang ang sweet naman, parang ganon. So parang siguro sa mga ganong little things na unintentional or parang medyo automatic na sa amin, pero parang in that way pala. Parang
Iba pala
siguro
from
ganon
their
kami
perspective.
magmahal sa isa't isa.
Yes.
Parang ganon. Kasi si nanay actually, sadly, hindi na namin magagawa yung kagaya ng ginawa nila Sister Casey na mag-Japan. Kasi my mother is bedridden na. Ayun. Pero yun nga, kasi 'di ba parang naka-confine na siya sa bahay na nandun na lang siya.
Yeah.
So what we are giving her is yung liberty to choose her food.
Yes.
Her favorites, kung ano man yung mga bago. Kasi hindi na namin siya matitake sa labas para itry. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, sayang na kasi ang dami na ngayong mga bagong kainan, ang dami ng bagong pupuntahan.
Pwede sanang
ganyan.
puntahan. No?
Oo, di pinapasalubong na lang namin sa kanya lagi.
Galing niyo yung kama.
Sana may ganun dumating yung punto na pwede.
Diba? Floating bed.
Hello, developers.
Ay, baka naman. That's nice. So, I like, Ate Ina, na nagagawa mo yun para sa parents mo. I mean, now, in our 30s.
Yeah.
Ay, oo nga,
We
na-30s na kayo.
we are financially capable of giving back in ways we've always dreamed of to our parents. Pero alam naman natin na not a lot of people or not everyone has that
Na ganun
capability at any
Yes.
point in time.
Yes, yes.
Students,
Ako.
diba?
Mga 20s.
Yeah,
Gagawin kong
starting work pa lang.
Yeah.
I remember when I was in that stage na parang iniisip ko talaga, ano ba yung pwede kong ibalik or ibigay sa parents ko.
Yeah.
Not out of obligation,
Oo.
right? Not because I am the breadwinner of the family or
Yeah.
anything. Nothing like that. It's just innate na and plus tinuro rin sa atin, 'di ba?
Yes.
Tinuturo sa atin palagi, we are always reminded to love our parents, and in my mind,
That's the first thing
that's
to do.
how I want to show them love, or that's how I
Exactly.
feel is I should be showing them love.
Yeah.
Una, financially, pero at that time in my 20s, I wasn't able to do that yet. So the way that I did it was, yun nga, to achieve the things that I
That would
could
make
achieve,
them-
that would make them proud. Exactly. So parang for a lot of people also na, yun nga, wala pang financial capability, right? Dun sila dun tayo tumitingin.
Dumabawi.
Oo, dun tayo bumabawi sa things that make our parents proud kasi sobrang dami nilang sinakripisyo
Ang
para sa
dami,
atin.
totoo.
Napakadami nilang pinagdaanan to get
Actually.
us where we are. And
That's true.
I would be remiss if I didn't show my gratitude about that kind of thing.
So, ibig sabihin, cum laude ka?
Hindi. We're not gonna go that far.
Pwede ba natin
cum laude?
pag-usapan yun?
Wala. You didn't do enough.
So academically, it was a very challenging
Phase of your life.
Hindi naman, not personally. It's just that everyone else around me was also quite competitive.
Sa
So
bagay.
because I didn't want to compete in that area.
Yeah.
Parang alam mo yan, I'm the kind of person kasi na, okay, I will not beg for a place at the table. Hindi ako ganun tao eh.
Sabagay. But
Diba?
you're
So,
here.
oo,
But you're here
but
at the table.
I'm here in our little table, and everyone is invited. So, because I felt like I had to super excel in order for me to compete academically, I went the other way. I went extracurriculars. So, doon ako bumawi. My mom specifically is very supportive of us pursuing art.
Oh.
Yeah.
And my dad, although he would have liked me to be an accountant, wala, my mom won out eh, ganun talaga eh. And although I could not also pursue purely anything artsy, kasi nga, syempre, ewan ko sa generation ba natin, yung mga parents natin
Yung
are very...
walang pera.
Medyo practical ka dapat
Yes.
na.
Okay, I feel
Big
validated.
yes. Big yes.
Totoo naman.
So I found a good middle ground between something business related and something creative
Yeah.
in the field of marketing. So marketing and advertising is very much a combination of
Yeah.
Business and arts.
and creativity. So dun tayo nag-fall.
Okay.
At naging proud naman yung parents ko na yun yung napili kong course. At naging proud naman sila sa achievements ko. Naging proud din naman sila sa the work that I've been able to do. But most of all, yung training ko dun sa marketing and
Yeah.
training ko dun sa public speaking, etc.
Yes.
have been were basically paths towards things like this. Towards hosting our shows or our events sa loob ng iglesia. And more than anything, yun yung palagi nilang sinasabi na although hindi lang sinasabi na proud kami sa'yo, parang outrightly, what they say is, uy, i-link mo naman yan sa akin kasi
I-share
gusto ko
mo.
i-share sa
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
ko, 'di ba?
Ganyan sila.
Sendan mo naman ako ng screenshot niyan kasi I want to show my sisters, I want to
Yeah.
show your cousins,
Yes.
ganyan. So that is the way na alam ko nasasabi nila
proud
proud
sila.
sila sa akin
Yeah.
sa lahat ng achievements
Yun
na
yung binabanggit ko
salamat sa
kanina.
Diyos ay na bigay sa akin.
Tama. Yeah, that was... SST.
Sorry, Jelly. Okay, go.
Pero yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, Ate Jelay, no? Parang, Ate Jelay, sorry.
Uy,
Ako! Nag-teleport.
Sorry.
dito ka.
Pwede ko sabihin. Yung sinasabi ko kanina, Ate Harba, no, na
Yeah.
yun nga, we cannot provide naman at this time.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung kaya. Kung ano yung kaya ko. And that's to make them happy. That's to make them feel na, napalaki ko siya sa ganyang punto ng buhay niya na okay. Parang ganun.
And they were able to say na all their sacrifices have been worth it.
Yes, kahit ngayon pa lang.
Yes.
Kasi we cannot promise the entirety of the future.
Yeah.
Pero what we can do is to make, the most out of what's happening now.
Whatever's in our control.
Whatever's in our
Yeah.
control.
And you know what? Nakarelate din ako dun sa idea, yung sinasabi mo kanina sa artsy stuff.
Yeah.
But the difference is, sa amin naman, baliktad. They
Oh.
don't stop us from going for the artsy stuff.
Wow.
Because my sister is in
Okay.
architecture, but she was very much engaged sa pagdodrawing.
Mal.
Because even before siya pumasok sa school in college, nagre-rig na siya ng mga models for
Oh,
VTubing.
nice.
Wow.
Yes, gumagawa na siya, and she was being commissioned na online for making a lot of creative arts.
Ay, uso yun lalo na nung pandemic.
Yes.
No? Commission ng mga
Yeah,
arts. No?
and she's really good at doing art. And whatever she wants to do, she loves, yun yung tinutulungan ng parents ko na i-lead niya in her life. And that is the same with my brother. Ang sabi namin sa brother ko, you can do coding or you can do AI things na pag-aaralan mo kung paano siya i-build. But then my brother was like, I kind of want to do gusto ko maging director. Sabi niya, director, writer. Sabi namin, okay, go.
Nasa
Ganun
ganun
siya.
din naman yung field ng family.
Yes.
Parang feeling ko, pag napunta ako sa may bahay nila
parang-
Tim, parang it's a discovery for me.
Kasi yung batong bahay niyo.
So, magkaroon sila ng immersion. sobrang different ng family.
You need exposure therapy of each other.
Pero lahat tayo, ang galing kasi iba-ibang paths. But all of us have that same kind of thing that we all strive to somehow make them proud. We all strive to achieve that kind of
Totoo.
thing.
Oo.
I would just like to share, sorry, Adelina. My parents, they never forced us to take up anything yung parang standard na
Yeah.
when it
Same.
comes to academics. For example,
Yeah.
gusto ko na maging doctor,
Abogado ka
nurse,
or ano,
ganyan.
ganyan.
It was us. Dumating sa punto na ako na yung sabihin niyo po kung ano gusto niyo.
Pwede niyo po
Sabi
akong
with this.
tulungan.
Kasi parang napansin nila na kasi nung bata pa lang daw ako, I was more on the extracurricular side din. So parang they would always support me. Lagi nila ako susuportan sa mga contest, ganyan, o kung ano man yung gusto kong pursue. When I joined INC Radio, hindi man sila yung sobrang full support, pero hindi rin sila pumipigil na wag ka na dyan. Siyempre, kasi it was the media of the church. It was one amazing thing. So, nung ako na yung nag-iisip for my future,
Help me, please.
saan ako pupunta? So, ako yung nagtatanong sa kanila, maganda po ba ito? What do you think about
And
this?
I do believe the best part about the thing that you said na, nako, pag tinuloy-tuloy ko to, saan ba ako pupunta? I am very confident na ang natatanggap nating sagot lagi is, well, you just have to trust God in that.
Yun.
Kasi nandiyan ka, you're serving it.
Yun yung
Yeah.
end.
Yeah.
And I love na kumukonsulta ka talaga sa parents
Yes.
mo. Like,
Yes.
shamelessly.
Oo.
Parang pangit term shamelessly. Pero anyway, parang, ang ganda na kumukonsulta ka sa parents mo na you're not
Confidently.
ashamed. Yeah, you're not ashamed to ask for their counsel. Na talagang lalapit ka sa kanila, okay po ba to? And you trust their
I trust their counsel.
Why?
Kasi di ba, sa social media, I've read a post na hindi na raw yun masyadong ginagawa ng iba.
Yes.
From
Yeah.
our age.
Exactly.
Kasi nasa age na raw kami, mga early 19, 20, mga gana. No, we can decide for ourselves. Kaya na namin to. Parang ano ba, dapat yan, graduate na kami ngayon kung wala yung certain curriculum ng education. At may
Right.
mga ganong mindset.
And honestly, a lot of people are eager to make decisions themselves.
Di ba, for themselves. Ako kasi parang wala akong tiwala sa sarili ko. But I like that word, ate. Sobrang tiwala ako sa parents ko. I trust them. At kung kung I don't agree, kung ano man yung sinasabi nila, I would tell them, hindi po ba mas maganda kung ganito? Kasi ganito yung ganyan. Kasi baka mamaya, meron lang din silang hindi alam about what I want. Tapos kapag na-realize sila, pwede. O kaya meron silang ipupush sa akin, tapos hindi ko lang siya 100% naiintindihan, kaya ayaw ko. And then once they explain, oo nga, no, maganda pala yung sinasabi niya. So maganda talaga yung malalim yung mapag-usapan.
And alam mo, on the flip side of things, napakita kasi sa atin ng parents natin that we can trust them That's the
Exactly. They've never shown us any reason not to trust them.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
like that. I love that.
Exactly.
Our parents are built na parang most of the time talaga, they would not really reveal their weaknesses sa atin.
Totoo.
Laging they would show us na there's someone strong that we can depend on, na ipapakita nila sa atin na we can trust them or we can consult them on things and everything, di ba? I rarely see a moment talaga na yung weakness ng parents ko, pinapakita nila sa akin. Parang wala akong ma-recall na ganung. Parang lately lang, nitong matanda na ako.
More grown.
30
Yeah.
ka na.
Lately lang. Kasi actually, my parents married quite late. So, they married at 29. And then, my sisters were born when my mother was 30. Tas sa akin, 35 na si mother, si
Di
nanay.
ba sabi nila perfect age yun kasi fully developed ng frontal lobe.
Wait, feeling ko sa time nila wala pa yan.
Wala pa yung ganun.
Wala pa yung ganun.
It was late.
Yes, yes.
It was late according to them.
Wala pa yung ganung principle
Correct.
nung time nila. So, 'di ba? So, during this time, matanda na sila, senior citizens na sila nitong ganitong age namin. So, I noticed na lang later on kasi kapag si tatay nagpupunta sa work niya sa Manila, minsan pagka free ako sumasama ako. Tapos nitong huli nung kasama na niya ako, medyo masakit na yung tuhod. Makikita mo na parang, di ba, technology.
Yeah.
Sabi kanina yun sa di ba? Dun sa Espresso Self na.
Oo, I think parang lahat tayo naka-experience din ng parang teaching your parents how to use technology.
Yo naman.
So, parang bago yung phone nila, ituturo mo muna, isa-set up mo muna para
Kung paano
paggamit
tong
nila.
TV ko?
Oo, yung TV! The TV itself, di ba?
Ano yung mga to?
Nak, may
Lagi mo nga
lumabas.
ako.
Anong ibig sabihin? Di ba?
May virus.
Virus.
May virus.
Yung ganon, parang sa ganong mga little things, parang, yun lang siguro yung nakikita ko. Kasi most of the time talaga, parang pinapakita sa atin ng mga magulang natin na malakas sila. Pinapakita nila na okay sila.
Correct.
Pinapakita nila na kaya nila tayo. Alagaan, ganun. Mostly talaga sa parents, ganun yung...
There was definitely a time in my recent life na, alam mo yun, parang naiisip ko, why didn't my parents ask for help? Capable naman ako na tumulong. Bakit hindi sila humingi ng tulong? And then that's when you realize na kahit ilang taon ka pa,
Oo,
they
totoo
are your
yan.
parents and you are their child through and
Yes.
through. So as much as possible, gaya nga ng sinabi ni Ate Ina, hindi nila ipapakita yung weakness nila, I guess.
Yeah.
They will always show how strong they are and how strong they can be for you because you're their child. They don't want you to feel yung hirap na nararamdaman nila. And on that note, diba? And on that note, now that we're grown, I want to assume na our frontal lobe is almost developed. Tama ba? Malapit na ba? Malapit na ba
10
mag-develop?
years?
Oo. I want to
10 years
assume now
more?
we're at that stage in our lives where we see our parents. And by that, I mean, we really see them as
Nakilalat
people,
natin
as
sila.
how they are.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not as our parents, but as their own
As
Individuals.
people,
Yeah,
as their own individuals. And tell me, ano yung mga napansin nyo or na-realize nyo, the sacrifices that they made that helped your life become what it is today?
They gave up on a lot of opportunities, including going to other countries to stay with us in the early stages of our life.
I'm sorry, this is such a difficult conversation, but it's so necessary. Kasi this is how, I want to say, Hannah, this is a good foundation to know how we're able to give back in the best way to our parents.
Exactly. Kasi when I realized na nakikita kasi namin, this is a good thing. We are not living a glamorous life. Very humble beginnings. Like very, very, very humble beginnings. Contrary to what everyone is expecting. And yung sa mga kapatid ko kasi, wala silang narinig ni isa sa mga kapatid ko na nagreklamo about it.
About your lifestyle.
Wala. Because here's the thing. We never questioned it and we never felt lacking because of the fact na kapag magkakasama kami sa bahay, it's just so fun. It's fun na gusto namin mag-share a moment with each other. Meron pang moment na yung sister ko nagbibiro sa akin na, Kuya, umuwi ka na nga dito. Ganun. pero at the same time, pag sinasabi ko, bakit? Miss mo na ako, no?
Yes. The affectionate brother that you are.
Tapos sasabihin niya, yak, ew, hindi na.
Ganun naman yun pero
Di ba?
totoo.
Sasabihin ko, kinikilig ka. No?
So you're saying na that sacrifice, the sacrifice that your parents made, helped you stay together as a family. At yun yung nag-strengthen ng family
Exactly.
dynamic.
And here's the thing.
Oo.
Yung sinasabi ng parents ko, there was this line that my father said na, Nak, hindi talaga namin pinagsisisihan na pinili muna namin na mag-focus sa inyo. Kasi it was such a good thing that they were able to be with us in the early stages of life, and that's the most important part of life.
Yeah.
Yung kung paano kang lalaki, kung kanino ka magte-turn, and they were so focused on us.
Yes.
Tatlo ka mula sa
What
school.
an absolute privilege to have
Yeah.
your parents in
Exactly.
your life
And it
like
was,
that.
we were so thankful for that. Kasi ngayon, saka lang sila nagsisimula. Ngayon pa lang sila nagsisimula when my brother is 18.
Aha.
18
What an
na
incredible
college.
blessing to be able to grow up with both your parents. I mean, I know na not a lot of everyone.
Not everyone.
Not a lot of everyone. Not
Not
a lot
everyone.
of people. Yeah, not everyone is privileged to have that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Grabing blessing yan.
It was such a big blessing for all of us. And yun yung masasabi ko, napakalaking sacrifice for them.
Yeah.
It's-
Because we don't have a lot of
Oh.
things to live by.
They could have.
We could
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
Pwede
But they
sila
chose not to
Yeah.
go that.
Just my dad, he was supposed to be a manager. Like, he was supposed to be the founder for a Hong Kong branch, supposedly, but no.
Kasi pinili niya yung pamilya.
Pinili niya here.
Pinili.
Ako, it's a different thing
Story,
for
yeah.
me. It's a different story. My father chose to work abroad.
And that's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah, and that's okay. To be able to give us a better life or hindi naman kami yun nga. We have also not lived a very glamorous life, but it provided for us.
Wow.
Kasi back then, sabi ko nga yung sisters ko kasi twins. So, di ba,
Dalawa
doble gastos agad yun.
Totoo. Big
Oo.
pressure.
Nang sabay.
Yeah, oo. Kaya he really had to do it. Diba? He had little choice back then talaga.
Now that was the sacrifice.
Yeah.
Totoo.
So that was his biggest sacrifice for us. Siguro, that played a part dun sa hindi kami masyadong showy or parang very vocal with each other. Kasi we did not hindi kagaya sa family ni Tim. Parang
Yes.
total opposite na,
Yeah.
nung scenario.
Magkatabi pa tayo.
Oo nga.
I like kapag pinapanood ko sila, there's always a contrast and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. Pero that doesn't undermine yung sacrifice niya. Especially ngayon na parang may mga napapanood ako or naririnig ako ng mga stories of our OFW kababayans na parang ang hirap,
Mahirap malayo.
ang lungkot,
Pero
diba? Pero kinaya ng tatay ko.
Yeah.
And then, looking back, actually, up until now, he would always say na, ingat kayo dyan lagi, I love you, man of few words kasi siya.
Yeah.
Tissue.
Issue ko.
Lagi niya sinasabi na manalangin kayo.
Oo, yun talaga. No?
The best.
And every time na umuwi siya, talagang he would schedule talaga na manalangin kami sama-sama.
I love it.
Oh.
Ayun
That's
na,
so good. No, huwag ka umiyak kasi iyak din ako.
Hindi po kasi magkahawaan dito.
Sorry.
But yeah, biglang nag-on ang Waterworks dito sa INC Cafe, Christian Attitude, Tears and Hands.
I like that.
No, it really is like pag usapang parents
Parents,
talaga.
no,
And
you just
usapang,
can't.
like I said, it's gonna be a difficult conversation.
It is.
Mag-usapang sacrifice talaga like as the kids, and then now na we're so cognizant about all the things that they sacrificed, it's like, wow. Bakit mo ginawa yun para sa akin? I mean, and the
Yeah,
obvious answer
really.
is, and the obvious answer is because they love us. Because
Yeah.
pinanalangin nila na magkaroon ng mga anak. At ito na, binigay, niregalo ng Panginoon tayo sa kanila.
I've always
will do
felt-
everything.
I've always felt nga lang na I was not that much grateful or parang I was not grateful enough, and realizing it now makes me want to give back more to them. Yun talaga.
And I think that's what we're gonna discuss. How are we able to show our parents, after all that they've sacrificed, how are we gonna be able to show them exactly how much we love them?
Yes.
Yan po, sa pagbabalik ng INC Radio Cafe. Dry your tears muna. Okay.
We'll be forever right Sa amin pong minamahal na pangalawang tagapamahalang pangkalahatan, kapatid na Angelo Eranio V. Manalo, mula po sa bumubuo ng programang INC Radio Cafe, kami po ay bumabati sa inyo ng Happy birthday po! We love you po!
And we're back. Welcome back once again to our listeners and viewers to INC Radio Cafe, Christian Attitude, Faith Enhanced with Harmony.
This is Jacob.
Tim.
Yan, kami-kami pa rin naman. And before our break, we got a little teary-eyed. Medyo yung food sa ating little coffee table ay,
Oo nga eh.
ay, sniffly. I got a little sniffly. So,
Kalang ba kalmado na?
kaya nga, I need us to calm down muna. No?
Aha.
Medyo mag-game muna tayo.
Okay.
Mag-coffee break muna tayo. And this time, it's gonna be a little fun. Kung kanina umiyak tayo, laughter naman ngayon. Sana, dapat.
Sige.
Okay, so, all you have to do is, may mga pictures na ipa-flash sa screen and all we have to do is guess kung kaninong parents ang na-feature sa photo na ito.
Magulang mo ba to?
Kamukha mo ba to? So, malalaman natin. Magkakaalaman na tayo ngayon kung sino ang kamukha ninyo. Okay. So, huwag na yung patagalin pa. Wow, eto na. First photo.
Persona, ooh. Parang masyado pa silang bata para maging magulang.
True ba?
Kanino yan? Hula.
Sure ka?
Totoo. Kaninong magulang
Di ba
yan?
mahilig sa checkered?
Sa checkered.
Who's
Si person naka-checkered. Di ba ito kay Timmy?
This is one of us, no?
Di ba kay Timmy? Ang puti eh.
Oo nga. no.
Mami.
Pero
I feel like yung complexion mo, you got it from your mom.
Oo
Tama
nga.
ba?
Ito na. Lock in.
Di ba?
It's you.
Diba?
Yes, it
Pati yung
is.
eyes. The eyes are the dad.
Nga, no. Now that I realize.
You can see the eyes.
Tama.
Are there, ba? Okay. Very good.
Nice.
Kay Timothy.
Ano masasabi mo, Kuya Tim?
At dahil dyan, dahil kilala na namin yung parents mo, what can you say? Anong message mo para kay Tito and Tita? Wow.
Pauwi na ako.
Antok na siya.
Uwing-uwi na talaga ako.
Inaantok na po siya.
No, I mean sa Baguio. Sa Baguio kasi yung sinasabi ko.
Yeah.
So they are based in Baguio?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm here for the tupad. But more than that, talagang Baguio.
Baguio.
Yeah.
Nice.
You're on the Baguio.
On the Baguio.
So how frequently do you go to Baguio?
as soon as I can. Whenever I can.
So kunwari after nito, pwede ka na.
Pwede ka na. Wala ka
Hindi
nang
pa
gagawin.
naman.
Parang ang sarap naman nun. Parang every time you go home, it feels like a vacation.
Exactly.
no, it's like Baguio is
Exactly. I really
Plus you're
love
with
going
your
home.
parents.
Summer
That's
capital of the
nice.
Philippines.
Honestly, kung hindi nga na ako kailangan bumaba, doon lang ako lagi.
Oh,
Wow.
But
yung mga chat niya, uy, kailan tayo magkikita para makababa ako?
So nag-aangkas lang siya from Baguio.
if it was that easy, no?
Kaya pala nahirapan mag-book.
Next.
Ay, sorry, ang tagal. Ooh!
Ooh.
Nakuha ko na agad.
Wala.
Yeah, I have a guess kagad.
Eyebrows
Oh,
na
this is
yan.
so adorable.
I have a guess agad kung sino. I think this is ate.
You look-
Ate Har.
Ate Har.
What gave it
Yeah.
away?
Nanay mo, kamukha mo
No?
yung nanay
Sobrang-
mo. 100%.
I get that
Yeah.
a lot. As in, pag nakita mo yung ibang yung toddler photos ko, pati yung toddler photos niya, splitting image of my mother.
ba?
Love you,
Yeah.
mommy.
Lagi
Yes,
talaga.
at dahil dyan, thank you to my parents for, first of all, the jeans.
right.
Yes,
Please.
yes.
The
Second
tall
of
jeans.
all,
Your
diba?
dad seems
the
pretty
tall
tall.
jeans, yeah. The looks jeans. Hoy!
Yeah.
And of course, the love that you showed us growing up, me and my sister growing up. Thank you so much for all the sacrifices and thank you dahil hanggang ngayon, lagi nyo pa rin pong tinatanong kung kumain na ba ako.
Love.
Kahit alam nyo hindi
Kahit
pa.
hindi ba? Kasi pork
Love
ang
you,
ulam.
Diba? I know. Love you, mommy and daddy. Mwah.
Right. Next. Ooh.
Oh, alam ko na kagad.
Kanina
Ano to eh?
magulang.
OFW.
Alam ko na kagad. Nahulaan ko na
Oo
kagad.
nga.
Yeah, di ba?
Tama.
Cute.
Ate Ina.
Flor
Yeah.
Deliza.
Yes.
The first floor.
The first floor, the second floor.
Uy, fourth floor
May
yan.
explanation kasi yun.
Ayan.
Yeah, for our viewers and listeners kasi my mother is named Flor de Liza and then yung sisters ko Floriza, Florida and ako Florina.
So,
yun.
siya ang first. Si
Florino.
mommy ang
Sino
first
nag-decide
floor.
ng names?
Tita ko.
Another topic for
Hello,
another day.
tita. Naki-online lang.
Yeah, ayun.
Ano message nyo sa kanila?
Yeah, my message to my parents, thank you for all the teachings talaga. Like what Ate Harm said earlier, we wouldn't be who we are right now if it weren't for how you, kung paano nyo kami pinalaki. So yun, I'm very thankful and grateful.
Special mention, milk and cookies.
Hello sa mga salamat.
Okay.
So sweet.
Last na ba to?
And
na
of course,
makita yung-
dahil last na.
Sala, nakikita yung mukha nila.
Gusto ko makita yung sino yung kamukha.
Oo nga.
Hindi ko nga kita eh.
Zoom in daw,
Zoom in
direct.
daw. Ayan. Okay.
Zoom in.
I mean, kilala na natin.
Zoom in.
Kilala na natin.
Ayan.
Mom mo.
Oo nga.
Ay, yung dad.
Mama.
You look like your mom.
Oo. Ba't
Pero
ganyan
parang
yung polo ng
combined.
tatay ko?
Parang actually may
Parang
may
combined.
tinge
May
of the father.
combination. Thank you.
Okay, and dahil dyan, Jacob.
I just wanna say thank you. Parang casual.
I would just like to say,
I wanna say thank you. Pero I love my parents for their immense patience. Grabe yung patience. Ganun nila kami pinalaki. Hindi sila yung laging nagagalit, hindi sila yung laging yung mga namamalo, ganun. Pero talagang inunawa nila kami. Ang mindset nila is they want us to understand the right and wrong, hindi lang through their guidance. At syempre sa aral na sinasampalatayanan natin sa iglesia, kundi through our own experience.
Yeah.
Experience things. And I love that. And I'm very grateful sa ganun. Kasi nakilala ko yung sarili ko kung ano yung gusto ko, ano yung hindi ko gusto. Diba? Sabi ko nga kanina, they did not pushed me to be in the media. Kinilala ko yung sarili ko at nung nalaman nila na, para dyan ka. Sige, go.
That's so nice. Na yun yung brand of discipline nila for you.
Yes. Thank you po. Tsaka madaldal daw kasi ako.
Innate
alam na
na
nila.
sa'yo.
Kaya kailangan malaki ang pasensya nila dahil ang ingay mo.
Bigay niyo na sa
Ang ingay mo kasi.
Last na ba yun?
That's na.
Yes,
Well, that was
that
good.
wraps
That was good.
up our coffee break. So, kilala ko na ang mga magulang ninyo.
Kilala na natin.
Kilala na
lahat.
natin.
Yes.
Isusumbong ko. Joke.
Ayun na, tatawagin. Hello.
Hello, tita.
Ay, online lang.
Online. Itong si, nakaka-cellphone ko yan eh.
Cellphone mo yan.
At dahil dyan, because we have seen our parents again, in my case, throwback, talagang nung wedding photo pa nila. So, it took me back to a time na wala pa ako, but I know na my parents loved each other very much, which is the foundation of their pagsasama and the foundation of us, me and my sister being here. So, on that note, dahil ayun na nga, na-refresh na tayo sa mga muka ng parents natin, I'm sure that made you feel something. So, pag-usapan natin, how do we make them feel loved? What are the best ways that you, as their kids, have made your parents feel loved? Ako,
Diego.
I mean, my dad is very much a foodie. Growing up, growing up siya ang every weekend without fail. After ng pagsamba.
Kakain
So my mom prepares us. So igagayak niya kami and both of them send us off to
Church.
to church. So yung magsusundo sa amin, ayan na. So pagbalik, pag-uwi, automatic yan. Ano ang leksyon?
Actually, nandun din
Yes.
ako. before.
So when we get home, picture this. So pagkapasok namin ng sister ko ng gate, it's either you can smell
Lunch.
the scent of shrimp sinigang na gawa ni mami or nag-iihaw si daddy ng fish or liempo or
Anything.
something.
Wow, bango.
Every Sunday.
Na-imagine
And
ko.
then, di ba, na-imagine nyo, and then, sa may front door namin, meron na nakapwesto niyan 2 tower speakers and nagbablast na yung
Wait.
Sunday jams ng
That's
Father.
very
yeah.
accurate.
Oldies.
Oh yes. So of his
Classic.
era, of those 60s,
Yeah.
70s, 80s era music. So
Yeah.
habang nagluluto si Mami, andyan na yung music ni Daddy, nagmamap siya ng floor or nagwawalis siya ng floor or something, and then Mom will tell us, sige, magbihis na kayo. And when we're already around the table, syempre kami ng sister ko yung nag-help mag-set ng table. So, we're already around the table. Ang unang tatanungin ni Daddy after naming manalangin is, anong leksyon?
Tagara.
So, syempre, as a panganay, lagi ko
Ikaw
inuunahan,
dapat.
lagi ko inuunahan yung kapatid ko kasi na-memorize ko na yung paksa ng
Syempre,
leksyon.
Wow.
And then, pag-uusapan natin, what did you learn? How do you apply it? Ganyan. Not verbatim, pero syempre, papaunawa nila sa amin or i-explain nila sa amin paano to nag-a-apply in real life. And those Sundays are some of the best memories of my life. As in, core memory. Talaga akong core memory. I would never replace my Sundays going up for anything in the world. And because of that, now that I'm able, na kahit nakabukod ako, every Sunday I make it a point na pumunta sa bahay. And of course, aabangan ko yung shrimp sinigang ni Mami.
Or
Mami,
the
bukas
inihaw.
o diba? Bukas, Sunday, shrimp sinigang.
What if
Mami,
naman-
baka naman.
dito, ma.
Diba? Baka daw po Mami umabot po dito sa
O
dito
kaya
sa
baka
INC
naman
Radio
kami
Cafe.
pwede.
So yeah, the Sundays are very dear to me na even my husband knows to look forward to Mommy's
Sundays.
shrimp sinigang. And sa turntable ni Daddy na naandyan sa gitna ng sala namin at bawal galawin ng sino man. Siya lang ang pwedeng gumalaw ng turntable niya. And that's how parang spending time with them is definitely something that I feel like shows my love for them. At kung hindi naman kami nagsispend time at home, I make sure na pag lumabas kami, we go somewhere new because as I mentioned kanina, my dad loves trying new restaurants at ang dami na ngang bagong restaurants ngayon. Yun lang ang gusto niyang gawin. Try natin to, try natin
Love
to,
it.
try natin to. Hanggang sa pag-uwi namin, busog na kami.
In fairness sa
Hindi
kanya.
lang sa pagkain, kundi sa tawanan at sa pagmamahal. And if there's one thing I love about my parents, it's how boisterous they laugh. Sobrang, alam mo yung pag
Lakas,
narinig mo yung tawa nila, alam mong masaya talaga sila.
From 5th floor.
Correct.
Masaya
From
yun.
Hanggang
here
ground.
hanggang dyan
Basement.
sa baba mamaya. Basically, ganun na nga. So, that I feel like is one way that I can show my love for my parents. And I see it. I see that they love it. And they tell me na, thank you sa araw na to. Like, it was fun. See you next week. See you
Yes.
whenever. Ganyan.
Yes.
So, that, Mommy, Daddy,
Shut up.
bukas alis pa tayo. Okay. So,
Ibang ano
yeah,
naman,
for
restaurant.
fear of me
Crying.
crying again, kayo naman, how do you show love to your parents?
Ikaw, Ate Ida, I'm
Yeah.
curious about you kasi nga, lumaki kayo na you were not affectionate. True. How do you show
How is it
your
now?
love?
Yeah, actually, acts of service pa rin.
Okay.
Just like before. Sa nanay ko, bukod sa food, ang isang parang bonding time namin is kapag binubunutan ko siya ng puting buhok.
That's so cute. No, that's really intimate.
Yeah. Ano siya, tag dito, before I used to hate it too. Kasi di ba pag bata ka, gusto mong maglaro, ang dami mong gustong ibang gawin, and then tatawagin ka ng nanay mo para gawin yun sa kanya.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, parang it's sort of a relaxation na rin sa akin. And parang it's me giving back to my mother na siya naman yung bibigyan ko ng oras. There's small talk pagka ginagawa
Yeah, and
namin
during
yun.
that time, nakakapag-usap din kasi kayo.
Oo, nag-uusap kami or kung meron lang kami pinapanood habang ginagawa ko yun sa kanya. Parang it's not really having a long conversation or so, but it's an alone time with her. And then sa tatay ko naman, minamasahe ko siya.
Oh.
Yun, kasi he's being the only guy at home.
Oh, yeah.
Diba?
Girls.
He's the only guy at home. So, sa kanya lahat ng mga labor, lahat ng buhat, ganyan. Kahit pa mag-alok kami, syempre, siya bilang
Tatay.
bilang tatay.
Yes.
Siya pa rin yung
For the tanggi.
hindi ako na, ganyan. And alam ko naman na stiff yung muscles niya. Need niya yun talaga. So, yun, pag nasa bahay siya, yun yung ginagawa ko, mamasahin ng likod, ng ulo, ganyan. Yun, those are the little things that I do for them.
Try mo rin siyang bigyan ng milk and cookies.
Pwede. Ay,
Actually, the obvious cookies.
wait,
That would be full circle.
Yeah, pero I almost forgot na ang bonding naman namin ngayon is magtimpla ng kape.
Oy!
So it's like, okay, tayo magtitimpla ko kape, gusto mo rin ba ng kape?
Legit, tara kape.
Okay. Pakipunta siya dito sa Radio Cafe.
Pwede.
Magkakape tayo. Pwede.
Ikaw naman.
Kami, kasi sa bahay, both my parents are musically inclined. Nung mga bata pa sila, sinasabi, sumasali daw sila mga singing contest, ganun. So, growing up talaga, pinamanan nila sa amin yung music tastes
The
nila.
love of music as well.
Oo,
Yes.
the love of music, yung legit kung anong genre ang gusto nila. Yun na din yung nakalakihan namin. Yun din yung pinapakinggan ko ngayon. Although I get to develop other interest in other genres as well. Pero ngayon na malayo ako sa kanila, pakiramdam ko talaga, lagi nila akong hinahanap. Kasi yun yung first na word No, the first sentence na lumabas sa bibig ng nanay ko nung tumawag ako, nung first time kong malayo sa kanila was, umuwi ka na dito, wala nang kumakanta.
Sweet.
Oo, sabi niya,
Iyak na ako.
So, umiyak siya kasi wala na raw kumakanta. Kasi parang dahil nga kami lang naman sa bahay. Kami lang sa bahay. So ako, pag naglihugas ng pinggan, parang I would always sing. Maganda man or hindi.
I'm sure to your mom, maganda yun.
Maganda yun. Laging I would always sing. So yun daw yung na-miss nila.
How did she say it? Kasi di ba minsan may mga parents na parang minamask yung emotions nila into
humor,
pabiro.
through
Umiiyak siya. Umiiyak talaga siya. Uwi ka na. Wala na kumakanta dito. So for me, sige lang. Sige lang. So yun yung ginagawa. Whenever I return back home, so that's almost once every year lang. Tapos siguro mga 1.5 month lang. Kasi syempre kailangan bumalik for class. I would always seize the moment, magkakaraoke kami. O kaya yung mga gusto nilang gawin. Quality time, I guess. Quality time talaga. Gusto nila gawin, they like walking sa beach. So yun, punta kami sa beach. O kaya naman, manunood kami ng favorite nilang movie. They're a really good movie enthusiast din. So yun din yung mga hilig namin gawin. Yung tatay ko, yung fixation niya ngayon, mga animal documentary. So I would watch that with him. Yung mga ganun lang na interest. Gusto nila kasi na kung ano yung fixation nila, pag-uusapan namin as if sobrang interesado kami doon. So, ini-immerse ko yung sarili ko sa kung ano gusto nila para na pag-uusapan namin. So, that may be music or other things.
Sharing conversations are really important.
Yes.
How do you do that? How do you stay connected to them ngayon? Like, in the time na wala ka doon?
Ang sarap talaga nung may online.
Yes.
Hello na kay online lang.
Hello,
Kasi yung supposedly kumustahan lang. Although we pray every time through video call. May mga moments na tatawag lang talaga sila tapos mamumusta lang. Yung dapat mamumusta lang. So dapat pag okay na po ako, may ganito dapat end na. Marirealize ko lang 1 hour naman ang nakalipas. Hindi pa tayo tapos.
It doesn't feel like 1 hour.
It doesn't feel like 1 hour. So, sa ganun bumabawi.
You're very fortunate ngayon na may mga ganyan ng technology. Kasi before,
Sulat kamay na.
Sulat ka lang.
I experienced
Napagdaan niyo na
sa
ba yun?
tatay
Sumulat
ko.
na ba kayo before?
Yes. Tatay ko kasi nung time na nasa abroad siya, wala pang ganun. We started with really snail mail and
You have
then
postcards pa ba?
Yeah.
Cute, no?
Tapos,
Selection
email.
postcards. Oo.
Email na ang ganyan
Email.
kasunod.
Tapos kabayo.
Hindi naman. Sa Baguio, meron.
Sa Baguio kasi, kaya kabayo.
How about you, Tim?
For me naman, we love watching movies. So, ang gagawin namin tuwing kakain kami, yan na, sisimula na yan, may movie na nakasalang. O kaya kapag nandun lang ako, we just sit there and manonood kami ng mga movies na gusto namin. And also, one of the things that we do, ang dami kasi namin ginagawa. Sobrang dami namin ginagawa. But personally, what I do is kapag ka meron ako, o kaya kapag natatanggap ako ng medyo malaki, uuwi ako grocery.
That's so
Yeah.
practical.
Napaka-therapeutic. Retail therapy.
Pero kasi, here's the thing, all of us cooks. So,
That's
we love
nice.
cooking. So, kaya ang lagi namin is,
Let them cook.
Alam mo,
Pasarapan na lang pala ng ulam dito.
so parang, sige, mag-grocery muna tayo, akong bahala.
parang masarap
ganun.
isang episode ng Ayon si Radio Cafe kila Tim.
Sinusundan natin.
Sabi
Keeping
niya.
up with
Pero ganun, whenever I have, I don't hesitate na mag-treat sa kanila lagi.
Oo naman.
Sa mga siblings ko, sa mga parents ko, that's what I do. Na kapag meron ako, tara po. O kaya kahit nga wala eh.
Basta go
kung
lang.
go lang. Let's go.
And that's how you show
That's
your love.
how I, yes. And sometimes as well, I don't know if it's just me, pero there came a point na parang ayokong nanghihingi ako ng lunch money.
Oh.
Oo, parang ayoko, hindi na po, okay na ako.
As a panganay?
Ewan ko, kahit,
Honestly, that's such a
Wait lang, ngayon ko lang
panganay
narinig
thing.
yung lunch money. Parang
Parang-
sa cartoons ko lang narinig yung lunch money.
Money in general.
Yeah.
Sorry. Kasi usually baon. Lunch money. sorry.
Pero that is a panganay thing. No? It's,
Yes.
it's very much
hanggang ngayon.
a strong, independent, eldest daughter, eldest son thing. I feel like, ewan ko sa mga viewers natin. Like, kayo ba?
Ganon din ba kayo?
As eldest daughters and sons, ganon din ba kayo? Let us know in the comments. And knowing that our parents made that very conscious decision to have us, syempre, alam nila na meron silang obligation to take care of us.
Yes.
Mentally, spiritually, physically, emotionally, etc. Now that we're older, there is an ideal or an idea circulating, I suppose, the internet and everywhere
As
else.
always.
Na, diba, as always. Kaya nga tayo nandito sa Christian Attitude Faith Enhanced, diba?
To talk about everything about that.
Perspective na to. This perspective that's going around na yung mga anak ay obligadong palakihin or obligadong mag-provide sa mga magulang nila.
Pagtanda.
And sometimes people see that like people can see that in a negative or a positive light.
Yeah.
There
Yeah.
are definitely two perspectives to that. So what do you guys think? And of course, paano natin yan the drive home or i-connect home sa mga natututuhan natin as true Christians?
Honestly, nasasaktan ako kapag nakabasa ako na yung mga tao, they don't wanna give back kasi hindi naman daw nila responsibilidad to give back. Nasasaktan ako kasi ibig sabihin ba hindi siya nakaramdam ng pagmamahal enough from his or her parents na ayaw niya rin to,
Na parang
to give back.
that feeling of wanting to give up back comes naturally.
Kasi ganun tayo. I mean, that's me personally. Ngayon kasi syempre, like we were saying, wala pa naman akong monetary means to give back in that area. Pero nandoon yung urge for me na darating yung panahon na ang maibibigay ko sana sa mga magulang ko, hindi na lang yung basta tawa, entertainment, or make them feel proud, pero yung talagang tulong sa kanila. Diba? Alam natin yun, with whatever their needs, bahay man yan, diba? Sasakyan, diba? Nandoon yung push and yung drive for me to give back on that matter, not because hiningi nila yun.
Not because you're obliged.
Not because
either.
I'm obliged. Because I want them to experience good things in this life. Na masasabi ko na mga bagay na they sacrificed when they had us. Kasi 3 kami magkapatid eh. It was a difference.
But you know, I wanna input this as well because we also understand that everyone has different lifestyles.
Yun
And
din.
experiences,
different
yeah.
parents. Diba? Hindi naman ang isang parent nito has the same set of values with his other parents. And we understand that. But here's the thing, we live Christianly.
Yes.
We live according to the Christian values. And the Christian values teaches us that regardless of who the person is and regardless of who they are and what they are right now, we show respect and love. Kasi tayo'y pinangungunahan ng Diyos ng pag-ibig.
Pag-ibig, I love.
So, we give that regardless of anything. And that's what we strive to be, di ba?
Yeah.
Exactly. I am just so grateful also that we grew up in a household na talagang itinaguyod ng mga magulang ko yung mga aral ng Panginoong Diyos. Yung mga aral na natutuhan
Yes.
nila sa pagsamba.
Yes, exactly.
And my dad, even up until now, he will always say that. When something good happens to our family, when there's a milestone that we achieve, hindi niya, I mean, he's not gonna brag about it in any which way, pero within the family, he will always remind us na kasi sinasamahan tayo ng Panginoong Diyos. Kasi lumaki, pinalaki namin kayo according to the Christian teachings. This is why we're so blessed. This
Yeah.
is why
Yeah.
we have these wonderful things in our lives. Kasi nga, sinasamahan tayo. And I have never once doubted that in my life. That's so true. That has manifested in so many ways in our lives. And thanks to my parents, hanggang ngayon, lagi kong naaalala yung bagay na yun.
Nakatatak na yun, no?
Oh, absolutely.
Ate Ina.
Yeah, kaya we're very fortunate
Oh,
talaga.
yes.
I do agree with Tim na our perspective on this is always on the outlook that we are Christians, true Christians, na ginagawa natin ito na inaalagaan natin yung mga magulang natin. Na it's our turn right now naman, ngayon na meron na silang edad, not just because it's a responsibility or something that the society asks from us, pero it's something na we do for them as a sign of our love and respect.
Oh,
Kasi after everything, you would look back dun sa mga napagdaanan ninyong parehas. You would realize how hard it is for them to live as parents themselves, as individuals na kailangan magpalaki ng mga anak.
That actually scares me sometimes kasi parang paano kapag ako na yung magulang tapos I don't live up to the example that my parents set. Parang I want to be the kind of parent that my parents were to me. Kasi alam kong mamahalin ko talaga yung child ko.
Andun yung laman ng panalangin natin yun, ano? Salamat po sa mga magulang natin.
Actually.
Hindi tayo pinabayaan. Mahirap ang buhay, lalo na ngayon. Pero we can still feel yung assurance from them na kaya to. Kasi yung itinuro nila sa atin, hindi lang magtiwala sa kanila, hindi lang magtiwala sa sarili natin, but most of all, hindi naman tayo pinapabayaan ng ating Panginoong Diyos.
I love that these guys, that these are your ideas or these are your beliefs, guys. Kasi nga, yun nga, parang ang dami nating nakikita online na it's being normalized na, hindi ko naman obligasyon yan sa parents ko eh. Parang I don't have to do this for them. But then, ayun nga, all of these things are being done born of love. And honestly, I want to think na dito sa atin, as Filipinos, no, in Filipino culture, it is very much ingrained also in our culture na bilang mga Pilipino, talagang natural sa atin ang rumispeto sa mga nakakatanda sa atin. But more than that, more than the Filipino culture, we're always being reminded na as Christians, we have that Christian culture na gumagabay sa atin palagi. And gaya nga nung sa buhay ko, no, it's true in my life na laging pinapaalala sa akin ng aking mga magulang na we are blessed. We are blessed because we are members of the Church of Christ. And saan pa ba naman nila makukuha yung idea na yun, kundi sa pamamahala na laging pinapaalalahanan din tayo.
Our parents. Our parents
in the faith.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
Kasi 'di ba, ito one of the lessons talaga na laging pinapaalala sa atin lagi, 'di ba? Yung unang utos na may pangako.
Yes.
Na
That gave me goosebumps.
igalang
Totoo
natin
yun.
ang ating ama at ina. Alam niyo, totoo yun.
Totoo yun.
Mararamdaman mo sa buhay mo na kapag ginagalang mo yung mga magulang mo, maraming mga biyaya talaga sa'yo. Hindi ka pababayaan. Totoo yun. And the moment na mag-deviate ka dun sa ganong treatment to your parents, it will go back to you. It will really cause problems and all other things. Kaya yun yung talagang itinuturo sa atin. Kasi there's this argument online na they were saying, yung mga believers ng, yun nga na, it's not an obligation for you to be your parents'
caregivers
when they grow older. Na parang ina-argue nila kasi, what if hindi kasi okay yung family namin? Or parang, diba? But if you look at it at a true Christian perspective and reminding yourself of that commandment from our Lord God, you would realize na no matter how you were treated or no matter how the situation was, as long as you're rooted sa as long as you will keep on following God's words and being a good offspring to your parents, diba? That's something that will be your guidance no matter what happens. So it's not just an obligation to your parents talaga. It's also something that's like our promise to God. Yun siya.
And on that note, lagi naman din natin tandaan na kahit anong mangyari, our biggest obligation at all times is in order for us to show our love to our parents, we must make sure that we uphold the words of God.
Yes.
Yun.
Yes.
So there is a teaching kasi that yung sinabi mo na sundin ng mga magulang, which is true, gawin natin yun for as long as it is following accordingly to the teachings.
Yes.
And I think we will hold more pride in the fact na kahit anong mangyari, alam kasi natin yung tama, pangahawakan natin ng may pananampalataya. Yun. And I think that's the best.
And if you do that, pag talagang sinunod natin lahat ng mga utos, like hindi tayo mag-deviate, tama ba yun?
Exactly.
Hindi mag-deviate sa kahit isang utos, imposibleng hindi magiging okay yung pamilya.
Totoo yan.
And that's going to be the strong foundation for us as children to grow up in a Christian household na maipapasa din natin sa sunod na henerasyon. And yes, I agree, Ate Ina, that yun nga ang, for me, isa sa pinakamahalagang utos nga na may kalakip na pangako, ang pagsunod sa mga magulang. And yun na nga. Kasi minsan pag sinusunod din sila, they give us rewards and they're happy with us.
Totoo yan.
That makes me feel good as a child na parang, okay, I'm being a good daughter. I'm being a
Good child yan
So
siya.
I will continue the good things, di ba?
Yes.
Patuloy kong susundin yung utos ng ating Panginoong Diyos because I get rewarded. But
Exactly.
not just for the reward, but because
That's what
I
you-
love doing it.
Exactly.
Because ito yung tinuro sa akin and I see that it's bringing good things into my life. So why should I do it?
Tama.
At yun na nga rin ang pinapaalala din sa atin sa tuwing nagtuturo ang kapatid na Eduardo V. Manalo na, di ba, yung mga magulang natin, hindi pa natin hinihingi. Pero kapag nakita nila that we're excelling, that we're doing good, that they're proud of us, that they're happy with us,
Yes.
binibigay na.
Give,
Hindi pa
no?
man natin hinihingi, binibigay na. And that's exactly how God is with us, sa ating mga
Exactly.
anak niya.
Yeah.
I hope that that is something that manifests in your life as well. And also in the lives of all of our listeners and viewers. So, thank you. Thank you so much for being with us sa episode na ito.
First
ng
episode of the
INC
season,
Radio.
by the way.
First episode
Exactly.
of the season. Christian Attitude, Faith Enhanced. Sana na-enhance ang faith natin sa ating little
Love that.
cafe table. I
Yeah.
love this episode. At sana na-enjoy nyo rin po ang episode na ito. If you did, please comment down below kung ano yung mga favorite parts ninyo ng episode na ito. And if you have any messages sa mga magulang nyo, why don't you tag them in the,
Yeah.
the
I-send mo to
comments,
sa mama
diba?
mo.
Correct. Send nyo sa family group chat nyo at sabihin mo, Ma, ito yung ano, I feel this way about you.
Yes.
O, diba?
Thank you so much mga ate and
Yes.
Kuya Tim for this nakakatuwa. I love how we expanded as a family dito sa cafe. We
Oh,
turned
yeah.
our little table as our family table, diba?
So, pupunta na ba tayo sa Baguio?
Sa Baguio.
Dala to.
Tara, gumawa tayong episode dun.
Oo nga.
Why not
Why
na?
not?
Tama.
Yes,
tama
so
yan.
thank you
Thank
for welcoming us into your families and thank you for welcoming INC Radio Cafe into your homes and families, mga kapatid. Sana sa susunod na episode ay makasama pa po namin kayo every Saturday to 6 to 7 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. And we'll give our thanks. Thank you
Thank
po
you so much po.
sa lahat ng bumubuo ng INC Radio Cafe, sa aming director, producer, lahat ng tech team, lahat ng
Kayo
tumulong.
na.
Thank you po.
It's
And
museum.
of course,
INC
INC Museum
Museum.
Cafe.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
for having us here. Napaka-relaxing ng aming conversation
Yes.
dahil
You
sa
love your
ating
table.
venue. We love your table and we love the tea na dapat pala iniinom ko na. and most of all, of course, thank you po sa ating pamamahala. Maraming salamat
po.
po kapatid na Eduardo V. Manalo for always guiding us in these kinds of conversations and more to continue strengthening our faith. And we would also like to extend our thanks, of course, to our beloved Deputy Executive Minister, Brother Angelo Eranio Manalo. Thank you po so much
We
for
love you po.
allowing these kinds of episodes to be aired, not for these discussions to happen,
It
which
must
continues, which continues to
Thank you
strengthen
po.
the faith of our brethren. So thank you so much po at happy birthday
Happy
po sa
birthday.
Happy
inyo.
birthday po.
We love
Mahal
you
na
so much
mahal
po.
po namin kayo. So, thank you so much everyone and we'll see you once again on the next episode of INC Radio
Cafe! Bye everyone!
Bye.
See you po!
Ato.
Tsaa.
Thank you for listening to INC Radio Cafe. Christian attitude, faith enhanced.